Hey Sunshines, week 10 remote work. First things first, finish your assessment if you did not get it done. If it's not done at this point in week 10 when you're working on it, it will not show up in your quarter one score as you would like it to. It'll either be 0 if you didn't do it, or I'll just score it as is, but know that it can change and it is okay. I just am going to need to put some sort of score in there. So if you're not done and you are finishing your assessment this week, know that it's not going to show up the way that you might want it to in quarter one. On Monday and Tuesday, just Monday actually, sorry, I forgot, it's a short week. Monday, do a current event, use this document to help. We are going to go over this in class today on Friday. It's the same setup as your Monday, Tuesday do now. Do the plus and delta. Same process as the plus and delta for 9th grade academy, but your topic is different. Your topic is culture and our culture unit. And then there's a student survey right here that I'll ask you to do so that I can get some information to see if I can try and create a class that is a meaningful experience for you. And then Tuesday, attendance. And then preparedness, it's the same process as 9th grade academy, same thing as 9th grade academy, but I'm going to have you do it for global studies because they are different classes and you might show up differently in them. And then Wednesday and Thursday you are here in person. It is a short student week next week, and Friday we have teacher in-service and you do not have school.